This is Will Barnett, winner of multiple Ideal National Championship team competitions. Will is going to demonstrate your qualifying round challenge. You will be tasked with wiring a 3-way switch circuit. Before you start, get your work area prepared and ready to go however you like it. Remember, you must complete this challenge with proper safety attire. To complete this task, you will be using an Ideal screwdriver, wire strippers, Linesman Pliers, armor band insulating wraps, and a Twister ProFlex wire connector. When you're ready, hit the red button on the timer and your challenge will begin. First, feed the white, black, and red wires through the electrical boxes and conduit. Strip both ends of the black and white wire closest to the terminal strip with the wire stripper. Then feed the white and black wires through the electrical box to the terminal strip. Using the crimping die on your Linesman Pliers, crimp the Spade Terminals on both conductors and connect to the terminal strip. In box B, cut and strip the black wire, then connect it to the switch's common terminal. Then, strip the remaining black wire and red wire and connect to the traveler terminals on the switch. In the electrical box A, cut the white wire and strip each end with the wire strippers. Using the Linesman Pliers, pre-twist the white conductors and terminate with the Ideal Twister ProFlex wire connector. Cut the excess black wire and connect it to the switch's common terminal. Next, link the red and black travelers from box B by connecting to the switch's traveler terminals in box A. No backstabbing allowed. Using the Ideal wire stripper, strip the black and white conductors closest to the light assembly. Then, push the black conductor into the black disconnect port and the white conductor into the adjacent port. Insulate each switch with Ideal armor bands and ensure all terminals are completely covered. Next, mate the female with the male disconnect. Finally, toggle the switches to confirm proper installation. After seeing the light turn on and off, hit the red button on the timer and your challenge is done. For this qualifying round challenge, you will be judged on your time, overall workmanship, and safety. Get the job done right and fast enough, and you could qualify to advance and participate in the 5th Ideal National Championship Finals held in Nashville for the first time ever. Registration is open now at idealnationals.com, where you can also buy a challenge board and tools to practice. Good luck.